What provoked him to attack you?
The same thing, like I asked him, sir, I will tell you, we can do these things, either you take the parcel and I will talk to the team when they call me, or you do one thing, you just deliver this, if the team has told you to give it, just deliver it to the customer, we'll take care of it. Or the last thing is, you can call or you can contact the customer support and give me a fix, we can wait while then. But he was like, you are wasting my time, I am not your slave, you tell me to wait for 10-15 minutes, I'm not going to do that. Talking through a small slit from the door, so that's when I tried closing the door just for my safety, so that nothing harm happens to me. But he was so agitated already that he pushed the door and he started again screaming at me. I had kept the order near there is a small place near when you open the door, so he took the order from there and I told him, sir, what are you doing, why are you entering my house like this without my permission? So then he went even more furious and just he hit me with his hand. Meanwhile, he already ran and he was in the lift, and I tried to get hold of him. I ran behind him, just making noise to let people know ki what has happened with me, to make them aware ki this is the situation. I tried opening the lift and it was getting closed. He tried to close, I tried to open, and then he saw ki no, I will not let him run away like this. He pushed me again, he hit me here, which was very bad, and I was taken aback again.
No, sir, I didn't use any abuse words, sir. When I reached her home, I have informed about the delay and requested her, Madam, please, sorry, the item was late because of the road issue and the traffic issue. I have explained her and I have requested her sorry and for the apology and gave her the item. She kept her nearby the door. Nearby the door there is a table. In the table she kept the item. Then I started requesting her and she started chatting in the chat support. When I started requesting her, she told, wait, I am chatting with the support. After the, I will talk with you, she told. And I told her, Madam, don't complain. It will affect my work, I told. Then she told, the order was already late, so I can't pay you the money. And I can't pay you, give the food also, she told. And I want the food for me at free, she told. No, madam, this is a COD, cash on delivery order. We can't give like that. Taken the item from the table and two step back, front to the lift. I walked away and she started using abusing words that in that word. Continue started beating in slippers for my safety. I have hit her hand and in her hand she was wearing a ring. That ring hit her nose, and the injury was happened. If I didn't punch her, and then uh, she started throwing the shoes. So we should leave from here. I was totally scared and totally shocked. So I left that place. FIR is registered on a condition bail. I came out whenever they called to the police station or to the court or to the wherever I should go. That is the condition.